Hey guys, so what you're going to need is a pair of black heels, black strappy heels, preferably ones with thicker straps. I don't know if the thinner straps will work, but I think it'll work better with thicker straps because it has a bigger surface area. Some butterflies, I got mine from Michael's. I think they were about $7 or $8 per pack. You definitely don't need 2 packs, there's plenty of butterflies in 1 pack. Some Gorilla Glue, and a white colored pencil. I did end up using a white eyeliner because it showed up on the shoe easier. And these are the shoes from Doll Skill. They're always sold out, but they're so cute, so I figured, let's do a little DIY to make them ourselves. So all I'm doing is referencing the picture and deciding where I want to place my butterflies. And as you can see, you can barely see the white colored pencil, so I switched to an eyeliner so I can actually see where I made my marks. So I didn't realize these were connected to these weird wire things, but they do. The butterflies pop off pretty easy. You just have to grab the butterfly from the base, not the wing, because you will pull the wing off, because I've done it multiple times behind the scenes. But yeah, they pop right off of the wires. You can just throw the wires in the garbage. And there's your butterfly. So all you're doing is placing a little bit of Gorilla Glue onto where you put your little white mark. You're going to place down your butterfly and hold it down for 30 to 45 seconds. I use the cap to kind of make sure it's secure. And then that's it. I wish I could have found like cloth butterflies, because these are not going to be very durable shoes. The material is kind of like, it's sturdy, but it's like kind of papery at the same time. So these aren't going to the club shoes, but they are like, oh, let's take some pictures, girl, I'm trying to look cute shoes, like those. So yeah. So what I didn't show is I ended up messing up the first shoe and I glued the last 2 butterflies upside down. So on the next shoe, what I did was I drew a little letter T so I know where the top of the butterfly is supposed to be facing. So when I lace them up around my leg, the butterflies will be facing upwards and not look crazy and be upside down. So that's just a little tip, a mistake I made. So if you want to try it, you won't make the same mistake. So one extra little tip, when you're pressing it down against the surface like I'm doing, I'm using the bottom of the shoe, be careful and make sure you don't actually glue it to the shoe like I almost did right there. But honestly, that's about it. This is a really quick, easy DIY. I think I'm going to go back and add in a few more butterflies here and there. But it's quick, simple, and I think it actually looks a lot like the shoe that I'm referencing, and they came out really, really cute. The directions say let it sit for 24 hours. I let these sit for like maybe 2 hours and they were good to go. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.